This is one of the nicest watches in my program of polio24.de. That's the Seagull 1963 with column wheel caliber, and this is the version with 37mm diameter and sapphire crystal. It comes with clear crystal back, so you can see the nice column wheel caliber at work. With blue hands and red stopper. This watch comes with textile strap included, one olive and one black one, so you can change the colors. And it also comes with leather strap included. I prefer mostly bright or dark brown. You can choose between bright brown, dark brown, but also black or red or blue are possible, whatever you prefer. This watch is shock resistant, splash resistant, and you can stop 30 minutes. And it has the famous Seagull ST19 caliber inside. Perfect watch.